Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video I will teach you widgets. So what are widgets? Widgets can be a button, a label, entry and some checkboxes and radio buttons. These all are widgets which we use in our application. So widget, for example, I make a widget, for example this is a label, and I'm telling you what does it mean. So here, as you can see, I have made a widget. What is a widget? Widget is always a class in this Python GUI. So there we make objects of that class according to our needs. For example, here I have made an object of class label, and in this object I have written here root. What does this root mean? This root means that place the label which we have made in a window called root. So it will place that label in the root window. After that we have an attribute called text. What will the text do? It will show this text as the label. The label will contain this text. Now here I have written text. I can change it to label, whatever you want you can change this. And here are more properties like background color. So the for background color we use BG and it is equal to blue. And you can also add font, for example Times, right? So what will it do? It will set the font to Times. Let's run this. Sorry, we use another function called pack. What does this pack do? It resizes the window according to the size of this widget. So let's see. As you can see here, it has made a label whose text is label and its background color is blue and font is Times. We can have a foreground color, like for that we use FG, and I will set it to blue, for example. So what will it do? It will show blue text on a white surface. Let's see. So as you can see here, we have a background color white and foreground color which is the color of the text, and it is blue. So this was about the widget label. So this was for all widget. We can have buttons, checkboxes, labels and also radio buttons. So all are classes in this Python, and we have to make objects of that classes and we have to enter the data required. So now let's make another label. So in a proper way I will make an object starting with small l. I will call it label1 and it will be from class label, and it will be placed on windows called root, and it will show the text label1, right? And its background color will be white, and the color of the text, which is the foreground color, and it will be, for example, red, right? And the font will be Times, for example, right? So what we have done, we have made an object of class label, and we have given the attributes which we want. So now I will place this on the root window using pack. So this pack will place this on the root window, and it will resize that root window according to the size of this label. Let's see. Here, as you can see, we have label 1, and the text in that label is label 1. The background color is white, and the foreground color is red, and the font is Times. So this was about label. We can have as many labels as we want. For example, we have label 2, and I will place it into root windows, and the text is label 2, and after that the background color is, for example, green, and the foreground color is, for example, white, and the font is again Times. I don't remember the name of fonts. So here we can add this dot pack in the same line here in this object. So it has two meanings. If we place this dot pack in the same line, the object will return nothing. But if we have to use the object again in some other part of the code, we will have to add this dot pack in another line. We will call that object and we will call the function dot pack. So let's run this again. Here, as you can see, we have two labels. One is label 1, the other is label 2. It is according to the attributes which we have given. Its text is label 2, background color green, foreground color white, and font Times. So labels are simply text. And the second widget which we will discuss in this video is button. So to make a button, I will remove this, and for button we have a class called button. So I will call that class, and I will here write root to place this button in our root window, and after that I will have to write some text, and the text will be, for example, click me. This is the text. And after that I will write command. What does command do? Command will tell the button to do something. What will be that thing? For I am writing here, for example, clicked. We have a function called clicked, but we haven't defined it yet. So what will I do? I will define that function, and that function will be called when the button is clicked. So for our function, I am saying, for example, to display a message box. So for message box, I will import message box from tk-intert library like this, and after that I will make a function. So for function I will use keyword def, and I will write the name of the function, clicked, and here I will write message box show. What will it show? First we'll have to give it the title. So the title will be, for example, message, and after that we'll have to write what will be in the body of our message box. So it will be button is clicked. Take care of this here, as I have named the function here. I have written only the name of the function without these brackets. The command argument do not take the brackets, it only takes the name of the function. So now let's try to run our code. and after that I will pack it. So here as you can see we have a button called click me, and its command is clicked. Clicked is a function here. When it is clicked it will show a message box. So let's click this. As you can see it has shown a message. The title of message is message and the body of this message box is button is clicked. So it was about this, and for example I am changing here the background color to blue and the foreground color to white. Let's see again. So as you can see here the button's color is blue and the text color is white. Let's click it again and here you can see this. So it was all about this. I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and share this video and the whole course so that many people can learn Python. Thank you.